Anthem Biosciences IPO opens today. Apply or not? Check price, GMP, lot size, review. Should I subscribe to Anthem Biosciences IPO? The initial public offering of Anthem Biosciences Ltd opened today, Monday, July 14th. The price band of the mainboard IPO, which aims to raise Rs 3,395 crore, has been fixed in the range of Rs 540 to Rs 570. Till 10:54 am on the first day of bidding on Monday, the issue received a 0.10 times subscription, garnering bids for 40,17,572 shares as against the 4,17,50,321 shares on offer. The retail and NII participation stood at 0.12x and 0.17x, respectively. The IPO's grey market premium currently stands at 17.54. indicating strong listing gains. The THRE a day IPO will be closed on July 16. Anthem Biosciences Ltd, a CRODMO founded in 2006, offers end-to-end drug discovery manufacturing services and specializes in fermentation-based active pharmaceutical ingredients APIs for global pharma and biotech clients. Anthem Biosciences IPO GMP today. According to market observers, unlisted shares of Anthem Biosciences Ltd are currently trading at Rs 670 against its upper IPO price of Rs 570. It means a grey market premium or GMP of Rs 100, which is 17.54 over its issue price, indicating strong listing. The GMP is based on market sentiments and keeps changing. Grey market premium indicates investors' readiness to pay more than the issue price. Anthem Biosciences IPO price and lot size. The price band of the IPO has been fixed in the range of Rs 540 to Rs 570 apiece. Its minimum lot size is 26. It means investors will have to apply for a minimum of 26 shares or in multiple thereof. Retail investors require a minimum capital of Rs 14,040 to apply for the IPO. Anthem Biosciences IPO allotment and listing dates. The basis of allotment of the Anthem Biosciences IPO will be finalized on July 17. Its shares will be listed on both BSE and NSE, July 21. Anthem Biosciences IPO. Should you apply? Brokerages remain largely optimistic about Anthem Biosciences' initial public offering, citing its strong financial track record, niche positioning in the CRODMO space, and robust pipeline. However, a few have flagged concerns over valuations and margin pressures. Aditya Birla Money has recommended a subscribe rating, emphasizing the company's leadership team, molecule pipeline, and strategic capacity expansion. Anthem's customer profile and molecule pipeline provide long-term demand visibility reinforced by strategic capacity expansion. However, it cautioned that growth is dependent on the success of pipeline molecules and regulatory compliance, among other risks. Anand Ratha Shares Stockbroking noted that Anthem is positioned to cater in cross and CRODMO segment, the crucial players in the pharma and biotechnology industries, wherein it is being niche player with high entry barriers through its differentiated FFS model, long-term relationship, strong RD, innovation, and technology-driven approach. The brokerage firm added that the company has outperformed peers in profitability and is likely to maintain that edge, assigning a subscribe rating. SBI Securities echoed the sentiment, highlighting that the IPO is valued at a PE of 70.9x FY25 earnings and appears fairly priced compared to peers. It said, it is well placed to encash on the fast-growing CRODMO industry on the back of capacity expansion plans and funding in place, well-established track record of profitable growth and strong business pipeline. Canara Bank Securities offered a subscribe for long-term recommendation, citing a strong CAGR of 32 in revenue and 8 in PAT between FY23 and FY25. It emphasized Anthem's FFS model and ESG initiatives, saying, the issue is fairly priced, which is at a discount of its listed peers. Smiths pointed to the doubling of capacity and deeper penetration into regulated markets as key growth drivers. The doubling of capacities in the first phase of CAPEX and then another round of CAPEX will propel the company into the league of the largest fermentation players in India, it noted, while recommending a long-term subscribe. Ventura Securities was bullish on the sectoral opportunity, stating that Anthem Biosciences is exceptionally positioned to capitalize on the fast-growing global CRODMO market, projected to expand at a CAGR of 9.1 from $213.1 billion in 2024 to $330 billion by 2029. It also highlighted Anthem's 95.59 FFS contract success rate and regulatory certifications from USFDA, Anvisa, and ISO. Swastika Investmart pointed out the company's high valuation but justified it due to Anthem's fermentation capacity and global clientele. Well positioned in a high-growth sector with robust financials and global client relationships, subscribe for the listing gains and long-term, it advised. Recommending investors to subscribe for long-term. Meta Equities research analyst Rajan Shinde said, "We believe the Anthem Biosciences IPO brings investors an opportunity to invest in the high-growth CRODMO space, uniquely positioned with fully integrated capabilities across small and large molecules, including NCE and North by East platforms, a rarity in India. We think with a strong track record of over 8,000 projects, deep engagement with more than 675 clients, and a robust pipeline of 242 active projects, Anthem has demonstrated sustained innovation through early adoption of advanced modalities like ADC, RNAi, and flow chemistry, and a leadership position in green chemistry. Anthem Biosciences IPO. More info. The IPO is entirely an offer for sale OFS. So, the company will not receive any funds from the issue and the proceeds will go to the selling shareholders. Anthem Biosciences raised Rs 1,016 crore from anchor investors ahead of its initial share sale opening for public subscription. Some of the investors that participated in the anchor book are Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, Government Pension Fund Global, East Spring Investments, Amundi Funds, Pine Bridge Global Funds and Societe Generale, HDFC MF, ICICI Prudential MF, Axis MF, UTI MF, Quant MF, and Motilal Oswal MF. Anthem is into innovation-driven and technology-focused contract research, development and manufacturing organization CRODMO with fully integrated operations spanning across drug discovery, development and manufacturing. It also manufactures and sells complex specialized fermentation-based active pharmaceutical ingredients APIs, including probiotics, enzymes, peptides, nutritional actives, vitamin analogs, and biosimilars. Swipe left for next video. Sci Life Sciences Ltd, Syngene International, Suvan Life Sciences and Divis Laboratories are the listed peers of Anthem Biosciences. JM Financial, Citigroup Global Markets India, JP Morgan India and Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities India are the book-running lead managers for the issue. Latest blogs.